8 minus 6 gives us 2, and again 8 minus 6 gives us 2, and 2 times 2 is equal to 4. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, here I am going to write the order of operation. So according to this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So the first thing to solve in mathematical operation is always the parentheses, right? So we have to solve the parentheses before everything else, and they have the first priority, right? So after we solve all the parentheses, only then we are allowed to move to exponent. Exponents are numbers written on top of a base number, like 2 squared. These are exponent. So we have to solve all the exponent, and exponents have second priority. And then after we solve all the exponent, we have to solve multiplication and division in equal priority, right? So there is something strange about multiplication and division. You need to understand that most people miss. So the thing is, multiplication and division have equal priority, right? They have equal third priority. So for example, if we have 10 divided by 2 times 5, we have a division and multiplication. So which one we should do first? Well, when we encounter in this kind of expression, since both multiplication and division have third priority, equal priority, we have to solve the equation left to right, like reading a document or reading a book. So we have to solve left to right. So the correct answer to this example is 10 divided by 2, which is 5, and 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So this is the thing, and the final thing we need to see is addition and subtraction, right? So like multiplication and division, addition and subtraction as well have equal priority, meaning we have to solve them left to right if we encounter the problems. So the first thing to solve is parentheses, and then exponent, and then multiplication and division, and then finally addition and subtraction. According to this rule, if we solve addition or subtraction before multiplication, it is wrong, right? Because multiplication has a greater priority than addition and subtraction, and should be solved before addition or subtraction, right? So let's go back into our problem to solve and get the correct answer. So we have here parentheses and we have a subtraction, but if in case you don't know, if a number is next to parentheses, that means multiplication, right? So keep that in mind. 6 is multiplied by the difference of 8 minus 6. So we just put that in perspective, and 8 minus 6 is the first arithmetic to do, because clearly parentheses is the first thing to do. So 8 minus 6 gives us 2, and the problem becomes 8 minus 6 times 2. And now we have subtraction and multiplication, and of course we have to do the multiplication before the subtraction, right? So 6 times 2 gives us 12, and the problem becomes 8 minus 12, which gives us negative 4. So the final answer to this question is negative 4.